guys, welcome back to Watson
BFS.
Lucy, say I'm a camera girl because you have to.
I'm a camera girl.
But today I'm going to teach you guys how to ride a pogo stick. So the first thing, first I need a pogo stick. But here's a fun fact about a pogo stick. It was made in December 6th, 1959, and it was made to help kids balance.
And to get their energy out.
So first you're just going to put both of your hands on the handlebar. But when you put your feet on, if you want, you can get a parent, hold a wall, or you can get a sibling. So I'm just going to step on with both of my feet. Whoa, I fell. And then you're just going to step on with both of your feet, and then you can start jumping. I know how to jump, but you can get a parent or a sibling to hold your back when you jump, or hold the wall out like this so that you can jump like that, so you can hold the wall out. But she's going to help me. Ooh, I almost jumped on your hill. But I can do about 16 jumps by myself. We'll try more. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
I did 36 jumps. But if it doesn't bounce correctly, you can get WD-40, so you can WD-40 it. That's what I have in mine. At the bottom rim, that's why it's wet right here. So
Or shiny.
Shiny.
But thanks for watching. Give us a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel. I hope you learned how to ride a pogo stick. I tried my best. Bye. See you guys next time. Woo!